first autokine is that is histamine. Histamine is a Greek word histo mean tissue, and this is the structure of histamine, beta-imidoxyl ethylamine. Source is the mammalian tissues, venom, plants, lungs, liver, GIT, skin, mast cell, basophil, eosinophils. Uh, Histamines are generally found here. Synthesis and degradation of histamine. Histamine is the product of L-histidine amino acid. The L-histidine through histidine decarboxylase is converting into histamine. Now, if histamine is stored in the vesicle, that will be protected histamine. Otherwise, histamine is converting metabolized through various inactive metabolites through different enzymes. For example, histaminase, diamine oxidase converting histamine into imidazole acetic acid, imidazole N-methyl transferase converting histamine into N-methyl histamine, and then N-methyl histamine is converted into N-methyl imidazole acetic acid through monoamine oxidase enzyme. These enzymes they metabolize they cause the metabolism of histamine. Now, synthesis, storage, and release of histamine. Number one from CNS. This is the cell. L-histidine, not D-histidine. Leuhistidine is converting into histamine through enzyme. Now, in the cytoplasm of this neuronal cell, if histamine is transported to this vesicle through this transport, and the name of this transport is monoamine visceral transporter 1. This monoamine histamine is internalizing into this vesicle and it's stored here along with ATP, heparin, and other protein molecules. Once there is action potential, or once there is other agonist stimulator, the concentration of calcium is increased. This increased concentration opening this syntaxin protein. When this syntaxin protein are open, there is release of this vesicle into the synapse, releasing histamine, and histamine then interacting through various receptors on the next cell membrane or on the presynaptic nerve. Like in this synaptic nerve, there is H3 receptor, there is H1, H2, H3, H4, and so many. If histamine don't interact with these receptors, there are a lot of enzymes which degrades the histamine. Number next is from mast cell or basophils. At the surface of mast cell there are antibodies, immunoglobulin E, and when allergens bind here and here at the position of cross-linking, there is biological cascades inside the cell which releasing the vesicle of this neurotransmitter containing histamine and producing various biological actions. The human mast cell and basophil show negative feedback, but the mast cell in the lung don't show the negative feedback mechanism. The next one, number third, is enterochromaffin-like cell which are present in the GIT system. They are also known as ECL. This is ACL. सेल के ऊपर इधर क्या है, cholinergic receptors है. When acetylcholine bind here, this is M3 receptor, GQ. GQ stimulating PLC, then PIP2, then it producing DHG and IP3, and they then stimulating calcium channels, increase calcium channel, and this calcium then stimulating the exocytosis of these neurotransmitter, that is histamines. Now histamines are outside. Histamine can be metabolized by these enzymes. If the histamine bind with this receptor at the surface of P cell, which are situated next to enterochromaffin like cell in the GIT, these release histamine interact with H2 receptor at the P cell parietal cells of the stomach. Now they are stimulating ATP into CMP, CMP activating PKA, PKA stimulating transcriptional factors, special protein are transplanting in the form of aquaporin, and these special protein also transplanting in the form of proton pumps. This transcriptional factor producing special proteins. These protein transplant at cell surface in the form of aquaporin, and transcriptional factor producing other special protein which transplant at the cell surface in the form of proton pumps. Water is internalizing. Water and carbon dioxide react. Carbonic acid producing bicarbonate and proton pump internalizing, and with there is antiport transport of proton and potassium, and then potassium is antiport with a chloride, and this proton combined with this chloride forming HCl. This is known as hyperacidity in the stomach.